right, finally done clearancing. No more scrapey. Pump's ready to go on the car. Yay! Once we get it on, we're not going to fill the cooling system because I did have a conversation with Maurice today. He was over here. It seems his temperature gauge is sprung. It's a mechanical gauge, but if you look, it's at like 160 degrees or so. Now this car, I haven't ran this thing since Sunday, so there's no way the motor's 160 degrees still, just sitting here. So either that gauge defective, cheap, junk, something's wrong with it. Anyway, so gonna get him a part number for that to replace it because we want it to look like the rest of the gauges. And then once we swap that out, we can put water back in it. As soon as I get the pump back on, I'm gonna put this thing in the air. Obviously, I have to put it up on stands because it does not fit on the lift. We'll pull the wheels and probably start taking the suspension apart in the front because there's bushings coming out and all kinds of stuff. And Maurice did give us a full set of bushings in that box in there, amongst other things. Also, I got to talk about some bushings here on the back, which we'll get to once we're up in the air. All right, got one wheel off. All brake pads and stuff look good. That's absolutely terrifying because that one's gone completely. What bushing? Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Steering stuff looks fresh. That's good. But, yeah, our control arms, that ain't good. So that's going to come out. On the other side, I haven't even checked yet. Ball joints, Dunsky. Old KYB shock. Lower ball joints looking a little tired. Ball joints, bushings. I know Maurice got bushings. I need to go look through his box of goodies that he brought me. But definitely front suspension needs to come off. Brakes look good. Definitely replace the sway bar bushings too. Maybe put a bigger sway bar. Maybe talk to some people over at iBock about some boing boings. Boing boings? We like badass boing boings. Alright. Right rear's off. Shocks have definitely seen better days. Yay. We are nice and gassy because we're leaking fuel. That's lovely. All over our floor. There's our diff. So these rubbers here, the leaf spring, those need to be definitely gone through. That hardware needs to be replaced. Could probably get away with the leaf spring, but all the rubber needs to definitely be fixed. Yeah, fuel, we already know about that mess. It smells so good. Not really. So, might want to do U-joints on the half shafts. Shocks, obviously. These radius rods are good. Okay, so lots of stuff we need to do back here. I'm gonna go to the other side. So whoever did the flares kind of didn't do any sealer in here. It's kind of scary, even though it's glass and not metal. And just, more stuff getting hucked into your inside there. Wet fuel line. Fun. So much fun. So I get over to the left rear, and one of the alignment shims for the lug nuts, because these wheels are universal for 5 on 4.5 to 5 on 5. One of the shims, you can see that there, gone, non-existent. That's real fucking cute. It's basically same bat time, same bat channel over here. You know, that radius arm needs to go bye-bye. All this needs to get fixed. New bushings. Shock rubbing brake line, that's cute. That's really nice work, whoever did that. Yeah, you know, but it's not bad, really. It's just a lot of work. It's a lot of stuff. And the more stuff I notice that's not safe, well, needless to say, gotta get it done. Body bushings, I've seen better days, but yeah, I'm not a body shop. I ain't gonna mess with that stuff here, obviously. All right, moving up to the left front. Lovely. So, power steering lines are leaking at the control valve, or they're crimped at the rubber. There's no pin in that. Well, there is, but it's not right. Tie rod's brand new. The ram's leaking. Control valve's leaking. Hoses are leaking. The ball joint's Dunskies. And why is there a tape / wire going through here? What the hell's going on here? Tire's hitting that. That bushing is done in there. Done. Also done. Definitely gonna rebuild those control arms. So I put a new ball joint in here at some point, but I'd rather put a full set in because I don't trust it. I like how someone replaced one side. Can't believe it, they replaced one side, not the other. Oh, and missing bolts in the bumper bracket. And same old KYB shocks. So there's all kinds of fun going on in here. We're definitely gonna need to have a little talk on this thing, because there's a lot to do. But tie rods are nice. Luckily there's a place that rebuilds this stuff locally. Or we can just order another one, whichever.